Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of Beyblade X Hasbro Beat Tyranno 470Q and Knife Shinobi 480 High Needles. Really happy to get this guy too. Another really fun little set, a 2-pack. Can't wait to get these in stores so I can get more of Tyranno Beat. Because that's a fun combo to use. Definitely on bowl. Oh shit. Come on. There we go. Here's you know who again, but sadly I got the normal blue. But that's okay. Then Tyranno Beat. So let's get into the recolor. Or not the recolor, just a rebase. Okay, why is there? But yeah, there you go. And finally, the main bay I got this for, and I'll also add to my collection, is Tyranno Beat. There's the 460, 470, and the Quake tip. I do have one more coming in soon. Goddamn, that's tight. But yeah, there we go. But yeah, well, shit. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.